children, welcome to the online class. In the last class we have solved some of the problems related to SAS, ASA and AS congruence rule. Now using this congruence rule, let us prove some of the properties of triangle. The first property of a triangle is angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. How to prove this statement? So the statement once again I will write down. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. When you read this, it is understood what is given in the statement is an isosceles triangle. You know what is an isosceles triangle? Where two sides are equal. So an isosceles triangle is given, and what you have to do is you have to prove that angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. For AB, which is the opposite angle, angle C, and for AC, which is the opposite angle, it is angle B. You are supposed to prove angle B is equal to angle C. So what is given in the statement is ABC is an isosceles triangle and AB is equal to AC. This is given. And what you are supposed to prove? Angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So which are the angles is angle B and angle C, which are opposite to the two equal sides. So you have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. What you are supposed to do? You have to, there is a construction. You have to draw the bisector for the angle A. So I draw the bisector for the angle A. So, and let D be the point where it intersects BC and D. So, which is the bisector? AD is the bisector for angle A, and where it meets BC at D. Now, you have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. What you have to do? Only thing you have to do is you have to show these two triangles are congruent. So to show that two triangles are congruent, you will take triangle BAD as well as triangle CAD, and that AB is equal to AC because it is already given. AD is equal to AD, it is already common side. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Why? Because AD is the bisector of angle A by construction. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. When the two triangles are congruent, corresponding angles will be equal. That is, angle B will be equal to angle C. Hope you got the proof. You have to show these two triangles are congruent. If you show the two triangles are congruent, it is understood that corresponding angles will be equal. Nothing but you have shown angle B is equal to angle C. Same way you try to prove the second statement. You try. If you don't get it, I will show in the next class. Now, I have proved, now I have taken a problem, example 4. There are 3 worked examples, 4, 5 and 6. In the example 4, he says that here he has given a triangle ABC. Hope you can see. Fourth example, worked example, ABC is a triangle, and what is AD? AD is the bisector of angle A. You know what is bisector? It divides the angle into two equal angles. So AD is the bisector of angle A, as well as AD is perpendicular to BC as already given in the statement example 4. It is page number, you see, page number 95, example 4. He says in that in triangle ABC, the bisector of AD of angle A is perpendicular to the side BC. Show that, what we are supposed to show that AB is equal to AC. I have to show AB is equal to AC. Tell me children, what I have to do? Same way I have to show these two triangles are congruent. And also he says that ABC, show that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Let me consider these two triangles. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because AD is perpendicular to BC. I have to write the reason. And angle BAD is equal to angle DAC. These two angles triangles are equal because AD is the bisector of angle A and AD is equal to AD common side. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent. If two triangles are congruent, then the corresponding sides will be equal. Therefore, AB is equal to AC. Hence, when two sides are equal, then what does the ABC becomes? ABC is an, therefore, ABC is an isosceles triangle. So, I will show you again the two worked examples, that is 5 and 6, and two problems from the exercise. Thank you, children.